Hey everyone, so today I'm back with some happy mail to share and open up with you guys. So I just got this from our mailbox a few minutes ago and I wanted to hop on here and do a whole unboxing. Although this is not my first package or box from them. I'm actually subscribed to their monthly subscription box, which I must tell you, they're super awesome. I kind of regret not filming the previous boxes that I've received, but definitely from here on I will do that and share with you guys. So this month's box is super exciting because they actually launched something new. So each person who subscribed to the September box received one of these. So I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and show you guys what it is. So the first thing that they always include is this card here, which says, well, hello there. And in the back, it's just some information of like their blog, the IG accounts, and what hashtag to use if you're gonna take a picture or whatnot. Next is this card here, and basically it's kind of like a referral. If I invite friends, pretty much you get credit towards that. So now onto the goodies, you guys. They always package really nice and simple. There's just a sticker here that says there is luxury in simplicity. So first things first, you do get a pack of sticky notes, and I'll open it up so you guys can see. So here it is up close. I hope you guys can see it well, just because the lines are very faint, but you do have a section for a header, and then there's lines divided in half, and then a section like a lightly gray shaded section on the bottom. Next we have these sheets here, and I believe they are tabs, monthly tabs. So here's what the tabs look like, and they're just plain white with gold foil, really pretty. Next we have a pen, and oh my gosh, you guys, their pens are super legit. They write really nice. So here it is close up. It is a 0.5 millimeter. Here's a close up for you. So now onto the moment you guys have probably been waiting for, is the planner, and I love bubble wrap, you guys. Sorry, super random, but let's open this up. So here it is zoomed up a little bit. I'll go ahead and do a 360 of it. So here you have the front, the back. Here's the spine. One thing I loved about it is this part right here. It says volume 2019. I think that's super cute because if you want to like store this on your shelf or something like so, it just looks nice. Looks like a book. And here is the opening. So the cover pretty much feels like thick cardstock, I want to say, but I'm not exactly sure what they use. But it does have some texture to it. I'm not sure if the camera will pick that up, but it feels really nice. Although I feel like I might have to baby this a little bit because some areas are a little thinner than others. So like this part right here, I'm just afraid that, and this part, that it might like tear easily, but crossing fingers it won't. And I'm not pretty harsh with my planners. I don't throw them around or anything. So yeah, so let's open this up here. On the left side, there is a pocket, which is nice. And then it does have like the spiral. It's kind of like, not really rose gold, kind of like between rose gold and like bronze. It's not like gold. I'm trying to capture it with like good lighting. So hopefully you guys could see that. So here it just says 2019 weekly planner. Then this page here says this belongs to. Then you have your 2019 year at a glance. And then here you have your holidays. Then there's a spot for birthdays in October, upcoming events, important dates. Then here it just says do more, do less. After that, it's a week on 2 pages. You have this here which says priorities 1 through 3. I love this. I love this layout. And it's lined too, by the way. So I believe that's how it looks like throughout the whole month. Let's just flip through till the end of October. So I could use this starting next week because it does start in October of 2018 and it's good till December of 2019. So I guess, oh, here you go. So after the end of October, you do get 2 sheets that are numbered 1 through 28. So you have 1, 2, 3 actually, 3 pages of that. It's pretty much the same thing. So here's November. Again, you have birthdays, upcoming events, important dates, etc. And I think that's pretty much it. So again, this is good till, let's see the last page. January 5th of 2020. So there you go. And then it ends off with these 3 sheets. So there you guys go. This is again their first time launching this type of planner, although they do have other planners in their shop. But yeah, this is super exciting. I'll definitely put this to use. I will give it a try and show you guys how I plan to use it. So stay tuned for that. So I believe these will also be on sale soon. I don't know exactly when, but if you don't follow them, you should, because they give that kind of information out. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.